Onion juice for extreme hair growth help to prevent hair loss and breakage.
Promote healthy hair growth, treat dandruff and itchy scalp issues, treat bald spot, prevents hair loss, thickens hair strands, strengthens roots, and repairs damaged hair.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. You are watching Tamara's Hair Care. I am so happy to have you guys here with me today. In today's video, I am going to show you guys how to make onion juice for extreme hair growth. This is a very inexpensive treatment and all you need is onion. And this is something that is already in your kitchen staring at you. After doing a bunch of research on onion juice benefit for your hair, researchers suggest using red onions for more effective results. But today I only have these white ones, so they can do. Plus, I have experience using these white onions making my onion growth oil, and it definitely worked, guys. If you haven't seen that video on when I use onion oil for hair growth and my review and what I like about it and how did it work, please check it out. I'll put the link in my description below. After cleaning and washing my onion thoroughly, I then dice it up in smaller pieces. Next, I am going to add a pot of water, about 1 cup of water on the stove, and let it boil. If you are experiencing hair loss or breakage, I highly recommend you trying onion juice or onion oil for a few months because it helped me and so many others. As we all know, nothing works overnight, so of course you have to give it some time to work. Now that my water is boiling, I am going to go ahead and add my onions to the boiling water, and then I'm just going to cover it and let it boil for about 5 to 7 minutes to make sure I get out all the nutrients out of the onion into the water, or should I say the juice. Here are a few amazing benefits that onion juice can provide to your hair. Using onion juice on your hair and scalp, this can provide extra sulfur to support strong and thick hair. It can also prevent hair loss and promote hair growth. Onion juice is loaded with antioxidants that may help prevent premature graying of the hair. Onion helps to nourish your hair and prevent breakage. Using onion juice or onion oil on your hair can also help fight scalp infection, clears dandruff, soothe inflamed, dry, and itchy scalp. After about 7 minutes, I turn off the stove and let my onion juice cool off. This is now about 2 hours after, and I am now using a strainer to strain the juice. I don't know if you guys can see, but the onion looks a little different and the water is now yellow. Now that I am done, I am going to pour my onion juice in a spray bottle and of course add my aloe vera and rosemary growth oil to this water, of course to add more benefits and nutrients to the treatment. Now that it's all ready, I'm going to go ahead and apply the onion juice to my hair. I have been wearing these braids for about 3 weeks now, or maybe 4 weeks now, and that's all the new growth that I got. I've been using my aloe vera and rosemary growth oil on my scalp, so I decided to make some onion juice to use to help treat my hair under my braids, because as you know guys, you can't just braid your hair and leave it. So I made the onion juice as a leave-in conditioner. So I'm going to apply the onion juice to my hair and then apply my growth oil. So here I'm just showing you the amount of new growth that I have. I think it's safe to say 4 weeks now. There are many ways you can use onion juice on your hair to get all the amazing benefits. There is no right or wrong way to use it. It can be in juice form like this, or it can be a onion oil. You can also add it to your deep conditioner. So I am just applying the onion juice on my entire head. I make sure I pay attention to the roots because I want to make sure the roots are saturated with the onion juice. And now I'm just going to use my hand to kind of stretch the juice down to the length of my hair. And I just like to massage that in to make sure I get every strand. Well, I try to get every strand, because you know you're wearing braids, so you're not going to get every single strand, but at least in the roots you're getting every strand. And now I am going to apply my aloe vera and rosemary growth oil to my scalp and the length of my braids as well. This will help to lock in the onion oil as well. So of course I'm going to oil my scalp. And guys, if you are interested in buying my onion oil, I'll put all the details in my description below, so go ahead and check it out and place your orders. All right, thank you guys so much. So of course you have to make sure we get those edges. My braids been pulling on my edges a lot because my daughter kept pulling my hair a lot. So I am trying to make sure that I always apply oil to it, just in case I lose any of my edges. It will help to regrow my edges and actually to make my edges even stronger. So it can actually like, I don't know, like take all the pulling that my daughter does to my hair each and every day. So now I just apply some oil to my hands and just try to oil the length of the braids, so I make sure I'm treating the length of my hair as well as not just the scalp but also the length of my hair.
There was once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and misbehave just so you'd notice too. Sneaking looks up and down from across the room.
So now that I am finished with applying the onion juice to my hair as well as my growth oil, I am going to go ahead and style my hair. I'm just going to do like a half up, half down kind of thing going on, because I need to actually go on the road as well. And also guys, I also use the onion juice on my daughter's hair. I use it to refresh her curls. So what I do, I spray the onion juice on her entire head and then I apply my growth oil after. And guys, let me tell you, this onion juice with the combination with my growth oil, my daughter hair stayed moisturized for so long and her curls stayed for so long. Like, I was so shocked. After a few days my daughter hair was still very moisturized and it was so shiny and the curls were popping still. I'm like, oh wow, this is the first. So of course I will always be using onion oil along with my growth oil with my daughter's hair, because it definitely works for her hair. Yeah, say cheese. Say cheese. Say cheese.
Once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and misbehave just so you'd notice too. Sneaking looks up and down from across the room. Damn, what a hell of a view. I feel good, you look great, I like you.
I stored the remaining onion juice in the refrigerator, and each day I just spray my hair and my daughter hair with it. So far we be loving it, guys. So if you haven't tried onion juice, please go ahead and try it. You would not regret it. Cheers. This is the end of my video. I hope this video was very informative and I really hope you guys will try the onion juice. Please remember to like this video and subscribe to my channel if you have not yet subscribed. Bye guys.